Hey guys, so today we're going to change the spark plugs on my 2018 Toyota Rav4. So the first thing you need to do is to remove the beauty cover and just pull straight up. Next thing will be to remove the coil packs. I'm just going to do one at a time on this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the connector, press in on that, and then give it a little wiggle to pull that harness loose. It's going to need a 10 millimeter remove that. And then the coil, just give it a little wiggle as you pull up gently, making sure there's no oil on it, which means that our seal is good in there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the spark plug. So I'm going to use a 5/8 spark plug wrench attached to a 12-inch extension. This one here has the keeper on it to keep that from falling off. And let's go ahead and remove our spark plug. Bring this straight up. Now I will tell you that this has 193,000 miles on it, and these are the original spark plugs. And I don't know if we can get a close enough look on it. It still looks like the tips are all right on it, but I'm going to change these out anyway. I'm at this point they need new spark plugs. Not that it's been rattling rough or anything. It's just I found out recently that it was supposed to be changed at less than 100,000 miles. And here we are nearly at 200,000. It's time to just go ahead and change them out. So what I'm going to do is picked up a pack of these Denso iridium spark plugs. From what I understand, these are pretty much OEM replacements. Pretty much Toyota just puts their name on it whenever they resell them. At least that's what I read online. So we're going to go ahead and go with these. So right out of the box, they're going to have the sleeve on it to protect the end of it during shipping. They are already pre-gapped, so don't need to worry about gapping them. I'm just going to place that inside there so it holds it. Go backward until it falls into place. There we go. To make sure I don't strip, and I'm going to hand tighten it as much as I can to make sure nothing is getting stripped before I even attach that ratchet. Now that we're finger tight, we're just going to go ahead, take it the rest of the way. Once it touches, we're just going to give it a little bit of a turn. We're not going to over tighten it. And there we go. Pretty much rinse and repeat 3 more times, and we are good to go. And of course, replace our coil pack. Once again, we're not over tightening, we're just going to snug that up nice. Replace our wiring harness, we're good to go. Okay, so the spark plugs that came in it were actually Denso SK16HR11. That's what was in it. And I was finishing up the video whenever afterward was putting these spark plugs, going to just kind of put them to the side. Like this one here, you notice it's actually been sparking right off of this is dual contact, which I didn't realize. I probably should have got the same thing. Didn't realize these had dual contacts on them. But check these out. These haven't been even firing on the contacts. They're actually firing, it looks like, off the side of the the base. It's not even been firing on the contact itself. So not that I think it really would matter. Let's see if I can get that to focus. There we go. So they're just, oh God, that thing doesn't want to focus. There we go. See how it's been firing off the side of it. It hasn't even been firing on the contact itself. At least it doesn't appear so. All three of the plugs out of the 4 were doing that. They're firing off the side and not off the contact. At least if they are, they're firing off the side of the contact. Anyway, I just thought that was interesting. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. I'll catch you on the next one.